I made up my mind is another way of saying I decided. So you can say, I made up my mind and I chose to study English literature. Have you made up your mind yet? Oh, not yet. You better make up your mind quickly before it's too late. Are you going to the park with us today? I don't know. I haven't made up my mind yet. You can also say, I changed my mind if you changed your opinion, or you changed your plan, or you chose a different plan or way of thinking. I changed my mind. So you can say, I changed my mind, or I switched gears. To switch gears is to change your mind. I wanted to study English, but then I switched gears to law. The principal of this school was very strict, but this year he switched gears and he's more flexible with the teachers. Have you ever studied something or did something and then later on you switched gears? Let me know in the comments.